Let's turn this into this. So this is already an e-bike, but it's rear-wheel drive, but we're going to use that kit to turn it into a dual motor. And all that was possible with the Monorim 500 watt peak e-bike conversion kit. You get everything you need, and it's super easy to install. You get the 26-inch wheel with the hub motor. This right here is going to be the battery. It's a 36 volt. This right here is going to be the controller. And then you get your display and your throttle. Let's do the install. All right, first let's remove the original wheel. This is a disc brake, and I believe you can swap this over onto that hub motor. Let's remove the brake rotor. And install it on our new hub motor. It was that easy. Now let's throw it on the bike. All right, let's see if it fits. It's like it was made for it. All right, let's tighten it up. Just make sure that this key right here is lined up with the opening, just so the axle doesn't spin. And then next, you take the controller, provide a tamper-proof star key right here, open the jaws up, and you clamp it on. Make sure that it is straight and it's where you want it. Look at this. I can lift the bike with it. It's not going anywhere. Now it's time to install the screen and the throttle. I think I'm going to just shift this over, put the throttle on this side, and put the screen on this side. And both the screen and the throttle open up, so you don't have to remove the grips or anything. And then you'll see 3 cords coming out of the controller box. They are color coordinated. We'll take the green and attach it to the monitor. There are arrows to make sure that you do install it properly. And then the orange goes to the throttle. And then the last wire goes down to the hub motor. Push it in all the way to the line and you'll be good. And then you'll take the provided zip ties and tidy it up, make it look nice. And the last step is put on the battery/basket. I wouldn't call this an install because this is removable, so you can charge it. And there is a lock on this side right here. Once the battery's in place, there's a combination lock right here. Put your combination in, turn that in. All right, let's slide it on. There's marks right here where you place it down and then push it in. It is a really snug fit to ensure that it's not going anywhere and that the connection is secure. Lock that in. Now we have an e-bike. All right, the initial startup. And it works. We're gonna go for its first test ride. This is gonna be the cable for the rear hub motor. So this is solely just on this conversion kit right here. And you see the screen's off. This is the new setup here. It's smooth. I like the basket because I can put things in here like my phone and this new drone I'm gonna try out. And you can see the factory brake actually fits perfectly. It's not making any noise, not making any contact. And it does work. See that nosedive? That's awesome. All right, we're gonna do a test run. 500 watt peak hub motor, 36 volt battery, says it goes 15 miles per hour. Per the specifications, we're gonna give it a try. $15.5, 16. This is a flat. 17, 18, 19. So about 18, 19 miles per hour. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Super easy to install. A very affordable kit. You get some extra storage right there. Yeah, that's sweet. This easy to install e-bike kit from Monorim, definitely a great purchase, especially if you're trying to repurpose an old bike or you bike for your commute and you just want a little assistance on your ride home or your ride to work. Get yours now on the TikTok shop.